Hey guys, this is for my subscribers that follow me for the Nailboo dip powder. So I did my nails a few days ago and I used the big blush, and this is the color, and it came out really pretty. So I just wanted to come on and show you so that you guys can see, for those that are interested in the different colors with Nailboo. Again, this is big blush, and so I think the color is beautiful. It has like that really girly pink color. So I wanted to come on and share that with you, because sometimes the looks inside of the containers can be deceiving. So you can see how my nail up against the container. And I use the difference in color. That's what I was going to say, the difference in color compared to in the container. So I always, guys, if you follow me, you know that I use 2 and 2. So I dip my nails twice in the base powder, and then I dip my nails twice in the color of choice. Okay, so it may have been a little bit lighter had I did just the 1, but with doing the 2, it came out beautiful for me. So I wanted to come on and share that with you guys. And for those of you that have never tried the Nailboo dip powder, it is so easy to use. If you go to my playlist, I have a playlist specifically for my Nailboo subscribers, and you'll find many videos out there about how to use this product. So I'm not going to go into the step-by-step, but it is step-by-step on the tutorials on how to use this product. And of course, if you have any questions about how to do it, because it's as easy as polishing your nails. It's just that easy. You're just brushing on the application, minus dipping it, you know, at an 85-degree angle into the dip powder, into the base powder. But other than that, it's just polishing your nails, so to speak. Yeah, go out and check it out. The Nailboo kit is about $55. The starter kit, it comes with 1 color. And everybody knows that I love Velvet Lust, is like my favorite. I haven't used that in a little while. Got some paint on the tip of my nail right here because I was painting. But Velvet Lust is one of my favorites. I like Sunday Brunch. Now Big Blush is one of my favorites. But there's lots of colors to choose from, or you can get the larger kit, which will come with multiple colors you can choose from. But I started out with just the $55 kit, and over time I've, you know, built up my color palette of Nailboo colors. So I just wanted to come on, pop on, and show you guys my nails. I'm still hanging in here because I get a lot of questions asking me, am I still using Nailboo? Have I tried any other dip powders? And I have not. I'm still using Nailboo. It's been about 1.5 years now of me using Nailboo. Will I ever try something else? I don't know, maybe. But right now, Nailboo seems to be working for me. I never have to worry about a broken nail the way I do the application. So I normally just stick with, you know, this will last me for 2 weeks. Okay, I really can't go to 3. I haven't even tried it. It may last, but once I start to see it lift here and get that little space in there, I got to take it off. So I normally do 2 weeks, but Nailboo said it can go 3 weeks and sometimes longer, but I always let mine go 2 weeks and then I redo my nails. So I just wanted to come on. I don't want to make this a long video. I just wanted to come on and talk to you about that, show you the color Big Blush. So you can see the name here. Big Blush is the color. And again, I do two coats. I dip twice in the color. And so very pretty color. It's a little bit more transparent or translucent if you use just 1 coat. And even though I thought the 1 coat was pretty, I still had to go ahead and add my 2nd coat. So for any of you that are interested in other colors with Nailboo, then try out big blush if like the pinkish color is your thing, the really girly look. And I've got a lot of compliments on my nails with this on here. So try it out. All right. I will put my code in the description if you would like to test out Nailboo. Also, before you test it out, just go look at some of my videos on the playlist up under the Nailboo application so you can see how easy it is to do. I answer any questions that you may have. I'm very honest about the product itself. Nailboo does not sponsor me. This is my own personal, what I feel about Nailboo, and trust me, I'm honest about it. But so far it's worked out for me. Now I will say that I had one young lady that said someone had reported that they got a fungus. But for me, fungus is about how you take care of your nails, okay? Because we all know that if you have any spacing in there, water gets under there, it's going to cause fungus. So what I tell people is always take your time with the application, you know, and make sure you're covering the entire nail, you know, so that you don't have any spacing in there. And by all means, if it starts lifting and it feels, you know, even a little bit loose or what have you, go ahead and redo the application. It doesn't take very long. I would say 45 minutes to an hour being the longest time that it could take you to do your nails. And one of the things that I will share with you is what works for me best when removing the application is to get 2 bowls. And I take glass bowls, not plastic bowls, but I take 2 glass bowls, 2 small glass bowls, and I take the first bowl and I just put water in it. I put it in the microwave and I heat it up for 30 seconds, no more than 30 seconds. Then I take the second bowl and I sit it over inside of that first bowl with the warm water in it. And then I just put acetone, 100% acetone into the second bowl. And then I just take my nails and put them in and cover it with a rag. And I let them sit. And they come off so much easier. The application comes off so much easier. And then you just take a paper towel and you just do like that to get the application off. And trust me, it's going to come off so easy. I've seen some people say put a paper napkin inside of a plastic bag and put the acetone in the I don't go through all that. I put the acetone directly into the bowl and it works better for me. Okay. And then I constantly go and just do my nails like that with the paper towel to get the dip powder off, and then I continue to dip, and it comes off very easily, guys, because you don't want to be pulling and ripping and tearing at your nails, because otherwise you're going to mess up the bed of your nails, and you don't want to do that. Trust me, I learned with my right hand, which I'm still struggling with today, but it's getting there. Okay. So I do want to come on and tell you that, and maybe one day next week after next, when I get ready to redo my nails, I'll do the removal just to let you see how easy it is. All right, so that's it. Big Blush is the name of the game, so try it out if you're looking for a new color with Nailboo. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Have any questions, comments, or concerns about the Nailboo application, then feel free to reach out. I do answer all questions and comments unless it's really derogatory or negative, and then I don't have time for that. And I'll put my code if you want to get 10% off of the Nailboo application. I'll put my code in the description so that you can use my code to get the 10% off if you decide to use the Nailboo product. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.